Hello. Welcome everyone into my channel Saskiano, with you MD. In this video, we will be creating an animation where this little red car moves along the highway following a very specific path. We're gonna make it stay in its lane, and as we create this animation, you'll see how past can be translated into position data for anywhere in an After Effects project. So to start, we need to actually create a path that goes along this road. Go to the timeline and click once on the word background to select layer 4. Then go to the tool panel and make sure you have the pen tool selected. If you don't see the pen tool here, click and hold and make sure to choose the pen tool. Now, I'll go off the right hand side of the composition and click once to create make a point. Then I'll go right about here in the low point of the curve and click and drag holding the mouse down to get control handles. Now how many users' viewpoints as possible to make this as smooth as possible with the different turns. So go up to the top part of the next curve and click and drag to draw out really long handles here. Now go way far off the left side here and just click once to add another point. Now clearly we need to address this past. Let's start by clicking on the second anchor point here. Just click once and that'll get your handles. And click and drag on the left handle to extend that curve out, so it better matches the edge of the road. You will do the same thing up here with this handle. Let's click and drag and kind of adjust things, so that the path actually is going along the right lane. And sometimes, like in the case of this anchor, we'll need to just click on the anchor and reposition it completely to better reposition the path along the different lanes. So this looks pretty good. Now that we have a path created, let's go up to the tool panel and grab our selection tool. Then to select the mask, let's go down here and select therefore impressed him to reveal the mask path. Click on the words mask paths and then go under edit and choose copy. Now since I'm with the red card to go along this path, also collected the red card there. There one in a press Pete opened its position data. Click on the word position and then go up under the edit menu and choose paste. Notice we now have keyframes in here and the animation is going to take place over 2 seconds. So this mask path has been translated into position data. Press the spacebar to preview the animation. And you'll see while the car is moving along the path it's not turning along with the curves. So let's press the spacebar to stop playback. Remove the current time indicator to about 1 second in the timeline. Alright, to make this orient along the path I need to click once on there, want to make sure it's selected. Then go up under the layer menu and go down to transform. Under the transform options choose auto orient. We want it to orient along the path, so choose that option and click OK. Are you going to spin around? And that's because it wasn't perfectly straight when it was created inside of Illustrator. So let's press R to open up the rotation value of layer 1 and scrub on the rate most parameter by clicking and dragging. And I'll rotate the car around to the headlights face to the left. And I know those of the headlights because they're a little larger than the taillights. Now I can press the spacebar and preview the animation. And you'll notice the car is moving along its lane. And it's turning along the path. Now press the spacebar one more time, stop playback. Because I want to show you if I need to change the duration of this animation. I can so select layer 1 to impress you to open any animated parameters. Now with the keyframes visible, let's make this animation take a little bit longer. Click on the rightmost keyframe and drag it to about 4 seconds in the timeline. And I know I'm at 4 seconds because I can see that appear in the info panel. Now if I press the spacebar to preview the animation, you'll notice the car's moving much more slowly along with the animation path, but it is staying in its lane. So as you can see, any path can be used to create position keyframes inside of After Effects. Here we go, we are done for today. Leave your comment down below the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If the video was helpful for you, to hit on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the bell button on so you don't miss the next videos. And if you have time to learn more, look at the old videos on the channel. See you in a new video soon. Goodbye.